Okay, Jessie is opening up her package from Shinipix. What'd you get, Jessie? Let's see. Ooh, I see something. Wow. Okay, what do you have? Oh, it's a skirt. That's adorable.
Cute.
Let's see. Oh, a nice material.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, really
Oh,
nice.
that's thick. Yeah, yeah.
Nice thick band.
Happy with that.
Yeah.
Very
definitely.
happy with that. Yay! Okay. What else did you get? Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Is it cold? Oh my God, look at the pants. Oh, they're amazing. Oh my God.
Nice stretch waist.
Yep. Is it a different material in the waist? It should be. Should be swimsuit material here.
Yeah.
And then
Oh yeah.
athletic
You can
here.
feel- you can feel
It's
the
softer,
difference.
right? Around the waist?
Yep.
Oh,
And
yeah.
the exclusive label.
Oh, look at that. Exclusive wearables by Shinipix with the butterfly on the other side. I don't think, okay, that was too close.
That is cute.
Oh my God, so cute. I can't wait to see them on. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. These are gonna be, yeah, totally
these are
favorites. Totally. Yep, look at that. So cool. Turn them around. Yep.
Yeah, these are nice.
Oh, they are nice. Super cool. She will model them for us later.